Okay, I'm trying to show you how to use refworks 3 to do citations. You need it because some of you said you want to go to graduate school, and in graduate school professors may have different preferences for different styles in bibliography. I, for instance, like Chicago style. So the best way to make citations is to use refworks 3. So you just Google it. Here it is. So you click on create an account. I click on connect because I already have an account. So this is how it looks inside. So first I'm going to tell you how to import your references into refworks 3, and those are mainly academic books and academic articles. The easiest way is to for instance, upload your document if you already have it on your computer. For instance, you found it somewhere. So, for instance, this article. Yeah, and you see now it picked up your article. It picked up all your author, year of publication, title of the article, so you don't have to type it manually. Another way is to create your reference. Just type it, title, author, and that's it. You created it. Another way is to use save to refworks. For instance, let's try to find Beth Leach lobbying some book by Professor Leach. Let's see. Lobbyists at work, for instance. No, Amazon is not friendly. Let's see. Let's try this one. It's her CV. Yeah, okay, this book. So let's try save to refworks. It's a bookmarklet. You have to install it using instructions on Rutgers library website. I posted them in the module. So you see it has book, lobbying, and policy change. It didn't pick up authors. So let's type authors. Okay. It was published, if I remember. I don't see it here for some reason. I think it was published 2009. And save to refworks. View in refworks. Yeah. So we have a book and an article. Then, for instance, you are writing your essay. Oops. Okay, so you write your essay, and then you need to make in-text citation. So, for instance, you want to cite this article. Create bibliography, quick cite. Here I already have Chicago style. Continue. Yeah. Copy citation. Go to your essay, and here's your citation, in-text citation. Then you finished writing your essay, and you need to create bibliography of your books and articles. So what you do, for instance, you have one book and one article. Don't do this, but it's for illustration purposes. Create bibliography, and copy to clipboard. and this is your essay, and in the end you have bibliography. You see, so when you use refworks, citing becomes very easy and simple. So I suggest you do use it.